Natural disasters are defined as an extreme and sudden events caused by certain environmental factors that can injure people and damage property. Some of the natural disasters are the consequence of man-made activities and some occur naturally. Let us discuss some of the natural disasters. An earthquake is defined as the vigorous shaking of the earth from natural causes. Technically, an earthquake is defined as a strong vibration on the ground that can either remain for a short period or for an extended period of time. The primary cause of an earthquake is a disturbance in the earth crust. The sudden shaking of the ground is caused by the passage of seismic waves through earth rocks. An earthquake can range in size, thus, some are so weak that it can go unnoticed, whereas some are so strong that it can even destroy the whole city. It can cause disruption to the ground. Landslides are defined as a movement of big boulder rocks or debris down a slope. Generally, a landslide occurs in hilly areas and mountains. It can destroy man-made things in several ways. On the other hand, avalanches are quite similar to landslide, but instead of rocks, these are caused by thousands of tons of snowfall down the slope. It can cause damage to anything that comes in its way. Avalanche takes place when there is significant accumulation of snow in the mountains. Tsunamis are defined as the production of very high waves in oceans and seas. The displacement of the ground causes tsunami waves under the water. It consists of multiple waves carrying high current. These are the waves that can reach up to a height of over 100 feet. The tsunami first wave is not the strongest, but the waves after the first wave are quite bigger and more stronger. A tsunami can poison the whole land with salt, causing people to die with hunger and disease once it is gone. If getting stuck in a tsunami, instead of doing swimming, it is suggested to hold a floating object and allow the current to carry you. Floods are the natural disasters that occur when an overflow of water submerges land that is usually dry. A flood comes in all depths. Sometimes it is so high that you do not have a place to go. Floods are often caused by heavy rains, overflowing rivers, tsunami, hurricanes, ice or snow melts, and breaking of dams. The power of flood is sometimes hazardous that it can knock your car off and sweep off your feet too. A tornado is a fast spinning tube of air that touches the ground and cloud above. Sometimes they are also called with the name of twisters. Tornadoes are not at all visible, but their high wind speed and rapid rotation often form a visible funnel of condensed water. Tornadoes are nearly transparent until they picked up the dust and debris or a cloud forms within a funnel or a tube. In the northern hemisphere, tornadoes rotate in counterclockwise direction, whereas in the southern hemisphere, it usually rotates in clockwise direction. The safest place to seek refuge during the time of a tornado are basements and underground areas. Drought is defined as an unusual dryness of soil caused by a low level of rainfall for a prolonged period. Factors contributing to drought are hot and dry winds, shortage of water, high temperature, and the constant evaporation of moistures from the ground. The difficulty of drought is difficult to determine. It can take several weeks, months, or even years. A cyclone is defined as a powerful spinning storm that contains strong winds and rains swirling around a center. These are the most intense storm on Earth. It is also defined as a wind system that rotates counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere at low pressure. There are two types of cyclones: middle latitude cyclone, which is the leading cause of winter storm in the middle latitude, and tropical cyclone, also known as hurricanes. Volcanoes are defined as the ruptures present in the crust of planetary mass objects such as Earth that allow hot lava, volcanic ash, and gases to escape from a magma chamber below the surface. A volcano can cause widespread destruction and consequent disasters in various ways. Due to its extreme heat, the lava released during a volcanic eruption is so hot that it can even destroy buildings, plants, and animals. So, these are the disasters that occur naturally and can cause significant damage to properties and human beings.